communities here. What we have committed ourselves in June this year, when we opened the laboratory that cleanses and does tests for water in this area, the Vaal Gamagara Quality Control Laboratory. We told the nation that a mega project for the Republic of South Africa is going to happen here soon. And today, we have returned again, Honorable Premier, to mark another milestone in this important development, that we no longer talking about it, it is finally happening. It is happening because all of us, starting with the national government under the leadership of President Jacob Zuma, together with the provincial government of the Northern Cape, working together with our municipalities, we have put our confidence and trust on the Sidibe Water Board to take charge of making sure that this project becomes a reality. I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the national government and the provincial government to commend the private sector in this area, particularly the mines that have come on board, and out of this 18 billion rand, they have also made their own contributions. They will be putting their own resources because they also need these